What's going on, y'all? I hope everyone's out there having a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. We went out yesterday and got on some awesome red snapper. If y'all haven't seen that video, I'm going to post it up here. Awesome trip out there catching red snapper. But all I did was basically take my snapper fillets, cut them into nice little steaks, and I'm about to whip up one of the best red snapper dishes you have ever had, if I can get this fly off of it. But yeah, we got the Weber grill going, about to whip this thing up. It's gonna come together real easy, nicely. Y'all check it out, and if y'all do try this recipe, let me know what y'all think. Got my red snapper fillets right here, and a lot of times people just want to fry it, they just want to blacken it and do kind of the same old stuff. Well, today we're doing something completely different from that. We're going to start off with a blackening method, but basically we're going to throw a lemon caper cream sauce on it, serve it up on some angel hair pasta. It's going to come together real easy and real nicely. So I got my snapper fillets. All I'm going to do is take some seafood blend right here from Chef Prodon's. You can find this stuff just about anywhere, but it doesn't have to be this. You can use any kind of blackening seasoning or seafood seasoning that you like. This is one of my personal favorites, and we're just going to coat that fish pretty good. These are pretty thick fillets, so I just want to lay it on there. Pretty heavy. And just like that. So I would normally use butter. I thought we had butter, but we didn't. So what I'm gonna be using is avocado oil. If you don't have butter, you can use any kind of cooking oil. Just want to lay down a pretty decent amount in a cast iron skillet. You want to make sure that skillet is piping hot. I'm just gonna take that red snapper. Bam! Start laying it down in there. You want to try not to crowd your pan. I probably got one fillet too many in here, but it'll be just fine. Oh yeah. Want to make sure that snapper takes on a good blackened color. Right there, just like that. Whew, that's hot. Also, I believe our snapper's done. You see it starting to pull apart right there. And as I go through it, it just flakes, right? It's not sticking. Everything's good to go. So our snapper is done. I'm gonna go ahead and take this snapper, plate it up, and I'm gonna cover it with foil to hold the heat. We're gonna build a sauce, and this is gonna be just about ready. All right, now to build our sauce, we're gonna go back in with a little bit of oil. One whole shallot in there to get it sauteed up just a little bit. Get them sweated down. I'm gonna go ahead and put in probably, I don't know, a little bit of wine in there. Put that wine in there. We're gonna put a little bit of flour, probably 2 tablespoons or so. What that flour did is going to gum up with those shallots just a little bit. Then we're going to take a whole pint of heavy whipping cream, put that in there. And we're just going to stir it around until we break up that flour just a little bit. All right, we got the juice from one big fat lemon. Drop that lemon juice in there. And then we got about 2 tablespoons of capers. Go in with some black pepper. I'm gonna go pretty heavy with the black pepper. Starting sticking up pretty nicely right there. Getting to be about the consistency we want. All right, we got our angel hair pasta right there. Go ahead and take a good piece of that fish right there. All right, scoop us a little bit of this lemon caper sauce. Oh boy. All right, y'all, the moment of truth. About to go in for a bite right here. Oh, man. Make sure we get some of that fish. A bit of that pasta. Chop some of that up first. Y'all, woo, that's good stuff. The lemon zest, it's creamy. The saltiness, a little bit of that seafood seasoning in there. Man, that's good. If y'all are going out there catching some snapper and you're wondering how you should cook it, or you're wanting new recipes to cook your fish with, try this lemon caper sauce. Throw it on a bed of noodles. It is absolutely amazing. Y'all have to try this. If you do, let me know in the comments what y'all think of it. Maybe something that y'all would do different. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all did, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see y'all next time.